what's up guys? Thanks for watching the video. Real quick, I want to tell you something about the clear coat finish on this mask. I've used lacquer once in the past and I was not happy with it at all because I used Rust-Oleum lacquer and it left a haze on my mask, which was hugely disappointing after all the work that I put into a mask to have the clear coat finish be the thing that messes it all up. So after that, I just never even considered going back to lacquer, even though I'd always heard good things, that it was much thicker, shinier finish and quicker results. But again, I had a bad experience with it, so I've pretty much stayed away from it, and I've only used Krylon Crystal Clear Gloss forever, which gets a great result, don't get me wrong. It's just sometimes hit or miss with how many coats it takes. Sometimes it takes one coat, sometimes it takes 5 or 6 to get that finish that I want, because I like a really, really shiny mask, as you all may know. So this time around, I tried Krylon lacquer. I thought all lacquers were the same until I poked around on YouTube a little bit and saw some people reviewing different brands, and I realized that maybe I should just go back to Krylon. I use Krylon for all of my spray paints anyway. Why on earth did I use Rust-Oleum lacquer back then? I don't know, but I'm very, very happy. Like one coat of this would have been enough, because as soon as I put it on the mask, one coat gave it a great shine. I still put on 2 or 3 more coats just to ensure that nice shiny finish, but I seriously could have stopped after one. Anyway, very, very happy with this product, and I'll probably be using this for my clear coat finish going forward on any other masks that I make. And I just want to let you know about it. Hopefully this information is somewhat useful to you and it helps you in your mask creation process. Again, if you stick with the crystal clear gloss, you're just fine too. That gives a great result as well. But I just think the lacquer just feels like it's a step up for sure. But that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope everything is great in your world. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.